We have two more consonant sounds today. One of these is a little difficult for non-native. This one is sh. For example, ship, shine, nation, fish. Non-native pronounce this sound accurately, so we don't have to talk about this. But this one is je. There is no sound in your native language like this. If you don't want to learn this sound, you don't have to learn it because it's a little difficult to pronounce for a non-native, but you have to understand this sound. Why? Because you have to listen. While you will be listening a foreign speaker, native speaker I mean, you have to understand what that speaker is saying. So if you don't understand the sound or not able to recognize this sound, you may be going to be failed to recognize some of their speeches. For example, leisure, measure, vision. Thank you.